So I've had the FLSun V400 for about a month now, and I want to do kind of a recap video on what's going on with the machine and what my thoughts are about the machine. FLSun reached out to me and said, would you like a printer for free? We'd like you to review it and give us your thoughts. And I'm going to say I have been very happy and impressed with this machine. The printer itself has been very fast, very easy to set up and use. I've leveled the bed once, and because I haven't moved it and there's been no major issues at all, I've had no reason to re-level it, and everything comes out beautiful. I have it on this cabinet, and this cabinet tends to make things echo a little bit. So I have created some feet. I designed these, or TPU feet, to help dampen some of the noise. But a lot of that is my cabinet here. I love how they did this filament runout sensor, because I'm loading filament in from the top up here, and you can see sometimes you have a little curl in the filament and it'll go off and catch and won't come through, and you can just twist it just a little bit and you can see it turn and then push it right through. Changing filament in this thing has been fantastic. Out of the gate works beautiful. One of the things I really like about a clipper based machine, and FLSun left all that in there and it works great. One of the things is I've thrown a lot of Petg at this machine. A lot of Petg at this machine. And let me tell you, the finishes have been fantastic. Very happy with how it handles Petg. And the interesting thing is, for most filaments, I have it set at 150% higher than program speed, and you can't tell. It just handles the speed without a problem. One of the things I did is I went into Orca Slicer and built an FLSun V400 0.4 nozzle machine setup, and I'm using Orca Slicer. And I want to say, with Orca Slicer paired with this machine, it's been outstanding. And what's really cool about how Orca does it is you have basically the features of Prusa and Bamboo you like here, and then when you hit device up here, you have your mainsail interface. And so then you can go through and monitor everything going on with that printer to see if the input shaping would improve anything. So I went and purchased the input shaping module, or the vibration module, and I went through and did a full calibration with input shaping. And you know, the base settings were so good, I didn't really notice a big difference applying the sensor data to it. It wasn't too far off. So that says something for it, that the machine was pretty accurate right out of the gate. The accuracy's been really good. Print speed has been really good. I can compare the print accuracy and speed to the same or better than anything I've got off the Bamboo printers. Like, I'm on second layer right now, and it's running 186 millimeters a second, doing some infill in the center there, which is pretty good. Now it's going to jump up in some spots. It'll go up to 300 in some areas on this print that I have going. I did a firmware update a week after I received the machine. So since that firmware update, I've run it 262 hours, 22 minutes and 45 seconds. Longest print was 19 hours, 56 minutes. And it's been pretty much solid. I've pushed 2,700 meters of filament through it and 79 total jobs. Contact FLSun support for a couple questions about the machine, and they responded right away. I've had no issues to deal with them, so it's been a hard thing to say, yeah, their support is great or not. But in the questions I've asked, they answered right away. For the last week or two, I've been trying to think of things that I don't like about this printer. And other than the sound a little bit, which the Enclosure would help, I really don't have anything I don't like about it. It's actually been a very welcome change. Since I've received this machine, FLSun has come out with enclosure for this, where there's plastic slides that go into each of the channels here, which will enclose it. So if you want to do some controlled temperature stuff, you'll be able to do it with this machine. I'm also told that it does knock the sound down. If you're interested in the V400 or any other FLSun products, you can go to their website and they have them all listed there. If you're interested in specifically the V400, I do have a coupon on my website, links in my bio, and you get $50 off the price off Amazon. So that's pretty good.